12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. We are in day 9 of this challenge. We are getting a few items from the Dollar Tree. We got some holiday napkins, which was a Santa and a snowman. We also got a Santa in a wood ornament set, and we also got a snowman one also. What we're going to do is we are going to do a decoupage layover over the wood ornaments. So that means we're going to have to paint them white to get them ready for the decoupage, because when you lay over the wood grain, the napkin on, it's really thin, and what happens is you can see the wood grain through it. So I need to apply at least a couple coats of white paint to the actual ornaments, and then I can go on to the decoupage area. I'm also going to use a new technique, which you'll see in a few minutes, on the decoupage, which I've never done before. So this will be fun, I hope. I love doing decoupage because you can take an ordinary item and transform it with a napkin or wrapping paper. So to me, it's a way to cover up easy mistakes or cracks or blemishes in plastic or glass. So this is a really cool technique, and I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. If you like decoupage, I have a few more other videos as well. You can look through my play history and you can see there is others. But we are actually doing this challenge with the 12 Days of Christmas, and I'm super excited to get started. 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. The host of this challenge is Jackie from Mimi's World and Melissa at Melissa DIY. Alright, so now we're going to get started in doing some decoupage here. We are going to get out our Mod Podge and coat the actual ornaments with it. And then we are going to position the snowman or the Santa over top of those areas, so we can get that Santa face on there, or we can get the snowman face. I want to utilize the space of the actual ornament the best I can with the actual napkins. This is going to be a challenge because we're working with a very small area, trying to make sure we get that Santa face on the actual ornament. So let's get started doing that. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of play music while we do this. You'll see the new technique that I'm going to be doing, which I've never done before. So this will be fun. I also want to thank everybody for watching my video, and please look at the playlist because there's lots more to view. Thank you. 12 days. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put